Hey everyone, welcome back to Earning with Bits. Today, let's check up on my LimerCoin miners. I will be buying some new miners, but I wanted to try and play some games first. Once you're logged in, get started by claiming your daily or weekly reward. If you select the tools icon at the top of your dashboard, you can bring up the crafting room. I will craft some new parts in the next video, but let's select the controller icon to bring us to the games menu for now. Let's play LimerCoin. It's the easiest. I'm going to speed up the footage while I play a few rounds. Over time, we will boost our hash power and earn more miners. I'm only playing Space Shooter, Coin Match, and Coin Flip. They are the easiest to play. The more you play, the more likely you are to get a free miner. Let's work together on this channel to build our hash power. Hopefully by the new year we are withdrawing weekly. When you're done, go back to your homepage to check your hash power. I don't have much hash power, so I will be grinding hard to build it up. My next bonus is to play 220 games. I should have that done by tomorrow. You should too. As we go along, we will upgrade our miners to build our mining rigs to maximum potential. We can also do the offer wall to earn free Limer tokens. I will show you how in a future video. Thank you for joining us here at Earning with Bits. Please like and subscribe.